Hey guys, hey, it's Kelly Bensimon. The holidays came early for me this year. Something special came in the mail from guess who? Thompson Ferrier. You guys know that I love the candles from Thompson Ferrier, and today we're gonna do a very special unboxing right in front of you. First of all, look how gorgeous this box is. So special, so gorgeous. You guys ready for it? I'm ready for it. Oh my gosh, the presentation is so gorgeous. Look at that. Look at even the seal of Thompson Ferrier. How pretty is that? Just everything in this is in the details. You guys, everything is in the details. So when you are getting ready for the holidays, just make sure that all of your presents have a Thompson Ferrier kind of look. Because look what happens when you open a Thompson Ferrier box. Oh my gosh, guys. Wait, it's in gold. But it's not even gold. What is this? Oh my God, it's the Buddha in gold. How gorgeous is that? This is called the Buddha Royale. It's $425 from Thompson Ferrier. Now let's find out what it smells like and the origin behind the Buddha Royale. So you guys, 24 karat gold, and this red pigment is from Japan. How gorgeous is that? That's so special. Such a special candle. The fragrance notes inside of this Buddha Royale are sandalwood, jasmine, and cedarwood. Oh my God, I want to light it. The Burmese ruby tiara from Queen Elizabeth II had 96 rubies inside of it. And this gorgeous Buddha Royale was inspired by that same tiara. Happy holidays, guys. I'm Kelly Bensimon. Thank you, Thompson Ferrier.